Vlogmas intro with me? Yeah. Hello everyone and welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. Today I'm joined for the intro by Bamboo. He's the sweetest boy. He is such a good dog, but I finally made it to New Orleans and it's wedding week. So excited. I cannot believe that my cousin is getting married. It's pretty wild, but I finally gave her her sign, so you're going to see all of that in today's video. One thing I do want to note, the video quality on my last video and some of the video quality in this particular video looks like I was filming on a potato. I apologize. I could not figure out what was going on with my camera. So last night I actually took the lens off to see if there was something that was like bugging out, or just like taking it off and replacing it would work. And I think that there was just like a tiny speck of fuzz that was throwing everything off. So I think I fixed it for all of my upcoming videos. And I'll just keep an eye on that for any future videos if I see that little like grainy look come back. Because even in editing, I could not fix all of that graininess. So I apologize for that, but today's video will be a lot better. I made it to my grandparents' house, but of course my first stop was the local coffee place that I love, and then it was time to pet the dogs while I hung out with my grandma. I kept noticing some weird fuzz on the sign that I made, so I decided to clean the letters a little bit and reapply a light coat of finish where I saw that it was needed. That really helped to get those fuzzies. Oh, that's cute.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today is Vlogmas day
4.
4.
Man, it's December 11th. How was it day 4?
We're in New Orleans for my wedding. For our wedding. Okay, I'll be right back. It is recording, so don't touch it.
I'm gonna touch it. You would be the one to touch it.
Ready? So, wait, you're not gonna come and like do something? Or like, hey guys.
I think it's been self-explanatory. I think it's self-explanatory.
I'm literally finally showing them their sign. Oh my god.
I mean,
It's been like a year in the making.
Yeah, it's taking a little while.
Are y'all excited?
Yes.
Okay. That's all that matters.
I wanna close my eyes.
Okay. You can open them now.
Come on, good, Patsy. That looks really good.
Do you love it?
Yes.
It's still wet, so don't touch it.
Oh, it's heavy.
It is very heavy, yeah. I
That
have to
looks
put
good.
the thing on the back, but
We can put those in.
Told you it would look good.
ooh.
Oh, really good.
Love. It's so
How many
nice.
times did you want to scream and throw stuff?
Only every time I see a fuzzy on it.
It's alright.
Where do you see fuzzies?
You did really good.
Thank you. If you can't see them, I'm not telling you where I see them.
Nope. I you not even said it.
I don't even see them, so.
Good.
Oh, it's so nice. I love this.
Forgot to put my microphone on my camera. So the audio's gonna suck.
It's okay.
It's okay.
We're fine. We're Gucci, guys.
They love it. That's all that matters.
Yep.
Come out really good.
Oh my
I'm
god.
gonna turn it around.
Turn it around.
Yeah. Got my logo and my name.
Oh.
The
Oh.
sign.
Number 4.
4th sign I've ever made.
Oh. You can hang it up for us too.
I was about to say, if you'd like, I can hang it up for you as well.
It don't matter.
Here you go. That's yours. I'm glad y'all like it. I'm glad it's sturdy enough for Lauren to shake.
It's very nice.
Yeah, come on, good.
Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm glad you love it.
What?
I see the fuzzies.
Do you?
No.
I was gonna say, show me.
Just to make her mad. I see the fuzzies. Look, anything when you start to get that thin with wood is hard to mess with. So I have to say that's rather impressive.
Thanks. I'm glad I'm still
You're
recording.
giving me anxiety.
This ain't a Moe's pizza. I ain't dropping this.
He dropped two boxes
Two
of
Moe's
Moe's
pizzas.
pizza.
That was funny. That was really funny.
Moe's pizza. 2 boxes on the floor.
Accident.
On the
Hey,
floor.
but you know what? They flipped over in the box perfectly fine. So I
Yeah,
got to
so
flip
we
them
still
back
ate
over,
them.
and they were good as new.
They didn't touch the floor. We're back, guys.
We don't get my own box. I gotta share a box with her. Oh.
That's why I had to get such a big box.
We're back, guys.
I don't want to share a box.
We're back with a microphone this time.
Ah.
Nanny!
Hey, you spelled it right.
I did.
I need an extra pair of hands to help me learn and grow. I think that yours will be the best because mommy and daddy told me so. Will you be my godparents?
So do we have to
I
answer
know you
that?
like.
What?
Is this Momo's tablecloth?
Yes, it probably is.
I came in.
The feel I'm looking at it, I'm like, well, I don't think this
No,
is
there's
part of
nothing
the gift.
I just didn't want the things
The
to
roll
move
around.
Yeah.
No, that was a
I
good
love
idea.
You love it? Okay,
Yes,
good.
I like the
Come on,
color.
babe.
Yeah, that's a really good color.
Paran. Paran.
Yeah.
Y'all excited?
Yeah, that's spelled right.
Paran. I'm Nanny.
Yes.
Anyway, they already said yes, so this is just a formal thing, actually. Well,
There's a
Joey
problem.
wears it
There's
as
a
a hat.
problem, Patsy.
What's that?
There's no beverage in it.
Ah, well, you can fill it up in a couple
crown.
minutes.
Exactly.
Great.
You really want him.
Yeah. I chose him specifically.
$20,000 from each player.
Oh, I don't have money.
Reception. Return white.
Let's go.
Load game.
New
The
game.
one in City Park.
Okay.
I'd like to start over. Look at these ladies.
And then there's the one that's tragic.
Joey, what you wearing?
Thank you. Relax and talk. Very nice.
I'm channeling my inner spirit animal.
I know
Momo?
that she sees it in the visual form, she won't forget.
Would you like me to
Beautiful.
put everything in envelopes?
Where's your tea?
Oh, give me some tea.
You need a fresh tea.
He's a very good helper, as you can tell.
Are you inspecting?
He loves it. Huh, Coop?
Did I do a good job? Oh, sweet man.
Oh my god, it looks very so cute. Oh my god.
What would-
Your Christmas tree. You don't want to go that high,
Ew,
though. No, not that. You gotta come over this way. Yeah, see,
See,
that's
that
right in the
looks
middle.
so good.
The middle of the walls right here.
That's fine.
So the top of the top of that thing would be right here.
Oh, yeah, the top will be right there. That's fine. Clue where it went.
What'd you do last night? Hung something on the wall.
But it's pretty.
That's Patsy. That's gonna be Patsy saying
What?
for everything.
But it's pretty.
Oh, you blew your leg off. But it's pretty.
Like, that's a good height.
Oh, that's
That's
perfect.
perfect. We did a great job.